Guizhou Yugeo Paper Products Co., Ltd., abbreviated as Guizhou Yugeo, was founded in 2005. It is a modern enterprise integrating production and sales, focusing on the field of household paper. The company is located in Huaxi District, Guiyang City, Guizhou Province. It has workshops covering nearly 20,000 square meters and is staffed with professional technicians. Adhering to the development philosophy of green production, quality first, it has established a paper product service system covering all scenarios including household, commercial, and travel usage, and grown into a trusted household paper brand for thousands of consumers. It owns multiple product lines including Yunru, Jiaoren, Mianru, Zugui, and Chaochong. Its product range covers rolled toilet paper, facial tissue, pocket tissue, cotton wipes, wet toilet wipes, adult diapers, nursing pads, and other categories of products. All paper products adopt virgin wood pulp as raw materials and have passed ISO 9001 quality certification. Over the past 20 years, it has won honors including famous trademark of Guizhou Province, Permanent Vice Chairman Unit of Guizhou Household Paper Industry Association, Advanced Unit for Valuing Quality and Honoring Reputation, and Contract Abiding and Trustworthy Enterprise. It was also designated official paper supplier for the China International Big Data Industry Expo 2023. Looking ahead, we will continue to focus on technological innovation and product upgrading. Continuous efforts will be made in raw material optimization, process innovation, and environmental protection upgrading. We plan to develop new product categories and new markets to further improve our full scenario product portfolio.